What if sound waves could erase physical grime from any surface? Imagine simply playing a specific frequency and watching stubborn stains vanish before your eyes. With this technology, hospitals could maintain sterile environments with ease, and cities might sparkle without manual labor. But what about unintended consequences? Could these waves disrupt delicate materials or organic matter? Would regulating such power become a new challenge? This scenario pushes us to rethink the boundaries between physics and the everyday world, sparking endless possibilities.